Do you want to learn animation? You already have Adobe Photoshop and don't want to waste your time to learn new applications? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to the Complete Logo Animation in Photoshop course, where you will learn from start to finish how to animate professional-looking logo intros that you will love using only Adobe Photoshop. So let's see a few examples of the animation you will create in this course using only Adobe Photoshop. This course is well organized. Each logo animation is explained in separate sections, where you will go step by step so you will have no trouble following one animation after another. Your instructor is Aziz Abri, an expert designer who has more than 5 years of experience in designing and animation, the creator of some of the best designing courses in Udemy. So what are you waiting for? Start creating beautiful animation with Photoshop and take your designing skills to the next level. Take this course now, and I assure you that you will not be disappointed.